Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager with Toshiba Canada. Today, I'd like to demonstrate to you how easy it is to scan documents from the hard drive of your photocopier to your Windows 11 PC via shortcut on your desktop. I'm going to share a screen and we'll start right away. So all you really need to know is the IP address of the photocopier. In this case, I'm looking at the web browser of the copier, and you can see right here the IP address is 192.168.2.17. I could get the same information from the control panel of the photocopier or from the ports setting in the print driver. So here I'm looking at the LCD panel of the photocopier, and if I go to user functions and administration, and network and IPv4, again, I can see that the IP address of the copier is 192.168.2.17. Or if I go to the control panel of my, if I go to the control panel of my computer, I can go to printer properties. Click on ports, and I can see that again, the IP address of my copier is 192.168.2.17. So if I just go to the search area in Windows 11 and type in // an IP address of the copier, and press start, I'm going to see a screen called File Share. And File Share is the name that Toshiba uses to refer to the hard drive of the photocopier. So if I just right-click this and create a shortcut on my desktop, it'll go my desktop. So here you can see that shortcut I created on my desktop called File Share. I'd like to rename that. I'm going to rename it. And I like to change the icon as well to make it stand out more in the background of the desktop. So now if I just put a piece of paper in the document feeder and press scan, and I click on File, you'll notice that MFP local is highlighted and it says File Share. I can give it a name if I want to. Call it Test 1. Say OK, and scan it. So that document's been now scanned to the hard drive of the photocopier. So if I click on that icon on my desktop called Toshiba Scan, there it is right there under the scan folder called Test 1. It's just a test page. So now that I have this document, I can right-click it and send it to maybe Microsoft OneDrive, or I can maybe I want to send it to a mail recipient or my documents, or copy and paste it, or whatever you want to do with it. I would mention to you, however, that once this file's in this folder, everyone can see the content of this folder. It's a shared folder with anyone else who has a password. So you might want to, once you've done something with this folder, this file, you might want to delete it. I should mention in Toshiba Top Access web browser. This is how we program the photocopier. By default, under administration, save as file, file share is turned on. And also documents do not delete automatically, depending upon whatever settings you may have here. You may want to have a look at those. I would mention to you that for file share to work with your computer, under Control Panel, Network and Sharing Center, file sharing has to be turned on. So you can see in this screenshot of advanced sharing settings, file and print sharing is turned on under private networks and public networks. As you can see, this is my contact information. Any questions about how to scan paper documents to the hard drive of your photocopier, I'd be happy to help. Other than that, have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.